Hi, this is Amy Omler, your professor, and this is an overview of my class. First thing you'll see is a page that has an announcement list and a modules list, and a little joke right there. Then I want you to go from the home page to the modules. The first thing you do is you watch the video. You will see next syllabus. Then you will have week 1 instructions. Every week we'll have instructions. And you do this, and then I have a stress reliever. If you want to watch it, fine. If you don't, that's fine too. Go back to the module. Look at the next thing you need to do. There's a proofreading marks video. Watch that, and then you'll be answering some questions later. Back to the module. The next thing on the list is your Chapter 1 PowerPoint. Now, this PowerPoint you can look at it like this, and it's just the slides. This one has slides plus me reading it to you. Back to the module. We have an ongoing assignment, and this is very important. This assignment is a huge grade booster. It's extra credit for your project. Your project is worth 20% of your grade, so every point of extra credit makes a difference. I'll let you read this. Back to the module. You say have 5 steps to improving your proofreading. This is a video I'd like you to watch. Go back to the module. And then on module 1, we will not be having this proofreading marks quiz. I am highlighting this just to show you the protocol for turning in a quiz. So you go to the quiz and click on preview, and then here are the questions. You'll answer it, then you'll go to next. Then when you're done, you put submit quiz. Once you've opened this, you need to finish the quiz. If something happens and you can't finish the quiz, let me know and I will reopen it for you one time. Okay. You do need to buy the book or read the book. There are assignments that are not on here that are from the book. And the last, but almost the most important thing is know that I am here to help. You have my phone number, that is my cell, and you may call it anytime up to 10 o'clock at night. And I will either answer it or get back to you within the next 24 hours. I respond to text and to phone calls. Okay, well, have a great semester.